so today's learning target. I can divide a 2-digit dividend by a 1-digit divisor in order to determine the quotient. We have been reviewing some division strategies. Today we're going to review 2 of them. Did you guys know that multiplication and division are related to one another? They are inverse operations. That means you can use one operation to help you solve another operation's problem. I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay? So look at this problem up here. I have 42 divided by 6 equals m. My dividend is the 42. That's telling me the total number of objects I have. So let's just say I have 42 pencils. 42 divided by 6. The 6 is my divisor. That means that's how many groups I'm going to make. So let's say I have 42 pencils and I want to share it with 6 students. How would I draw a picture to model that sharing, that division? So I'm going to use my divisor, my 6, and I'm going to draw 6 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because these represent the 6 people that I'm sharing with. Next, I'm going to start counting one by one all the way until I get to 42. So at the end, I should have 42 marks all together. So watch how I do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And continue. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Continue. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Am I done? I drew 6 marks. Am I done? No. I'm not done because I still have to get to 42. So 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. I reached that 42. Now I'm going to count to see how many marks, how many pencils do I have in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 7, 7, and 7. Because they are the same number in each group, those are equal groups. So 42 divided by 6, each student would get 7 pencils. So m equals 7. Now, I told you that multiplication and division are like cousins, right? How can I relate multiplication to division? So let me think. How many times does 6 go into 42? So let me think of those words I just used. I said how many times? How many times does 6 go into 42? The key word there, many times. I'm seeing the word times. So when I multiply, I can skip count to see how many times I count, right? So let's start counting by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. I'm going to stop at the 42 because that's my total, right? That's my dividend. So how many times did I count by 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 times 7 equals 42. So I use multiplication to help me solve this problem. If I know that 6 times 7 equals 42, then 42 divided by 6 will equal 7. Okay? How did I relate multiplication to division right now? Who can tell me, how did I use multiplication to find the quotient to my division problem? Dalvin? Louder? Okay, so we related the multiplication in terms of equal groups. How else did I use multiplication and relate it to division? Rami?
How many times?
42, right? And how many times did 6, 7 times? Very good. Michaela? Excellent. So do you see how multiplication and division are kind of like brother and sister? They're kind of like cousins. They help each other out. Okay? You're going to choose which one of these strategies today works best for you in order to determine the quotient to your given problem. Okay? Tyler, how are you solving this problem?
We have to solve it in 3 circles and put in.
Why are you drawing 3 circles?
Then I'm going to put 21. Keep saying I'm going to count until I get 21.
So which one are I'm just got it.
All right, let's wait for Kyler so we can compare our answers. What happened? Did you get to 21 or did you go over? Over. So why don't we just, don't even erase it, just cross it out and start over. Yeah. Count out loud, Kyler, that might help you. 6.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. No, you're supposed to equal. What book are you using? No, what book are you using? Why are you using your answer?
So how many were in each group, Kyler? 7. So 21 divided by 3 equals what?
7.
Very good. So compare your answer with Sana. So, how did you solve yours, Sana?
I used 3 circles and I put 1 in each and kept going.
Is that what you did, Kyler? Very good. So Kyler, can you stay on your mark? Very good. So now you're up. Go ahead, Jody, you're up.
You rolled on this. I rolled here.
All right, you can go again. 3.
1, 2, 3.
All right, Jody. Very good. Pick up your card.
54 divided by something equals 6. 54 divided by...
Go ahead, Jadier. 54 divided by 6. Jadier, and Jadier only. Jadier, how can you use multiplication to help you figure out 54 divided by what equals 6?
I think yes. It is so 21, guys.
Let me see how you can skip count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 40, 42, 54. Bro, we already did this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Did you skip count correctly?
I think so.
So check your work. 6, 12, right? 18.
24, 30, 36.
Sit up, please.
42. Wait a minute.
What happened?
That was the wrong one. It was 40 and then 54.
Oh.
So it's 9.
So it's 9. Excellent. And what would your multiplication sentence be?
54 divided 9 is 6 because I skipped that.
So then what would your multiplication? How could you relate multiplication and division?
9 times 6 is 54. 54 divided by 9 is 6.